Hello, today we're going to be doing LeetCode problem 392, Is Subsequence, and this is one of the top 150 questions that LeetCode has put together as the most popular interview questions. This problem states, given two strings s and t, return true if s is a subsequence of t or false otherwise. The subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed from the original string by deleting some, can be none, of the characters without disturbing the relative positions of the remaining characters. Ace is a subsequence of A, B, C, D, E because you can pull the B and the D out and get ace. Or AEC is not. First example, ABC. So you can take out the H, take out the G, and you can take out the D and you have ABC. Example 2, AXE, there is no X in here, so it can't possibly be a subsequence of T. Okay, the way we're going to do this is use two pointers. One is going to traverse string S, and the other one is going to traverse string T. And we're going to compare the first character of S to the first character of T. And if those are equal, then we're going to increment a counter. And at the end, if the counter is the same length as S, then we have a subsequence. So let's start coding. Make a counter I. Assign that to 0, I'll make another counter j also equal to 0. That's going to traverse the t. So while I is less than s length and j is less than t length. We don't want to go outside the bounds of either of those strings. Oh. Okay, so what are we going to do? First of all, we're going to spell while, right? Okay. So we're going to compare the characters. So S, using the char_et function in Java. Then we're going to do sub I is equal t char_et of j. So if those are equal, we're going to increment the counter, which the counter is also the counter we use for S. And we're always going to increment counter j because we always want to traverse t the entire length. Okay, so then that's pretty much it. And then if we're going to return, if I is equal to the length of s, and we found all the characters in t, then return true, else turn false. Let's run that. Okay, it looks like case 1 was accepted, as well as case 2 returns false. Submit. Okay, it looks like it was accepted, beating 60% of users. The time complexity of this problem is O of n, where n is the input parameter t, the size of that. And then we're just going through s and t, so there's no need for additional space. So O of 1 is that complexity. And that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.